We are still in a pandemic that is now more evident when you see Connecticut's COVID positivity rate. It has jumped to 3.2%. That's the highest it's been in more than 6 weeks now. So we spoke to a local expert about this latest surge, and he says there's no reason to panic, but we do need to be cautious still, especially before the Thanksgiving holiday. Channel 3 Eyewitness News reporter Roger Suzanne joins us now with more of this expert's advice. Roger, what is he saying?
Yeah, good morning, Whittle. He had a lot of really good information. You know, one thing that he certainly stressed is that although these results are concerning, they're not all that surprising.
Following months of relatively low transmission rates, many people understandably felt increasingly comfortable going out in public more frequently, and some towns lifted mask mandates. As a result, University of New Haven epidemiologist Anthony Santella says the recent uptick was somewhat predictable, but he feels we are in good hands as leaders in Connecticut have shown a willingness to react to new information to keep us safe.
I'm not sounding the alarms right now, but I'm glad to hear that our state and local health officials are keeping their eye on these data, because as the data changes, so may our responses to the pandemic.
And remember, it's not all doom and gloom. The CDC reports more than 70% of adults in the U.S. are now fully vaccinated. But Dr. Santella says we still need to be careful as we prepare for the Thanksgiving holiday. You don't need to cancel your celebration, just be smart. Wear masks when you're not eating, especially if anyone at your gathering is unvaccinated. And try to keep your party relatively small, because the bigger the group, the bigger the risk.
The American Thanksgiving tradition is, right, gathering lots of people in an indoor space, socializing very close together, and that's what the virus really wants in order to kind of facilitate transmissions.
And one other safety tip from Dr. Santella is that if you are traveling for the holiday, make sure to mask up regardless of whether or not there's a local mandate. He says it's just safer. Roger Suzanne, Channel 3 Eyewitness News.
All right.